So the solar plexus, like all centers, has a biological correspondence. So as we go through each of the 9 centers, we're going to touch on this. And the solar plexus is tied directly to our nervous system, especially the sympathetic and the parasympathetic branches, and the chemical processes that produce our emotional chemistry. And this center really produces biochemical fluctuations of emotionalized energy over time, which affects all the associated biology, our lungs, our kidneys, our pancreas, the prostate in men. And so as this biologically both generates an energy in our system, it also processes information through our electrochemical signals of the nervous system, which is where OI comes in. So it's with this chemical awareness where we feel the moods and the anticipation and the nervousness, because these are chemical signals that actually move through our organs and our neural pathways. So it's unlike the spleen, which is very quick and it's rooted in that, like the immune system and the lymphatic system. The solar plexus really requires time for that chemistry to settle in order for the clarity to really come through. The SLUD is an acronym that I got from, I don't know if Raw actually did this. I got it from one of my teachers a long time ago. And that is, it's called, these are the four parts of when you can feel the chemistry actually moving in the body. It's salivation. So obviously some saliva, like I can notice right now, I've got a bit more saliva in my mouth. So that's a key that the energy of the wave is moving. There's lacrimation, so there's tears, hot or cold tears, and I can actually feel there's a little bit more water in one of my eyes right now. Urination, I had to have a quick pee before we got started, and defecation is the other part of it, because the solar plexus is all it's around that vagus nerve, right? Part of the digestion, all of those pieces. So it's it's fundamentally connected to our biology in that way. The other piece is that the solar plexus processes in all sorts of different things. It helps us with food and the ways in which we process, drinks. It's also digesting experiences and our intimacy and our sexuality. And those are all filtered through the solar plexus chemistry. It's really about kind of what we take in, right? Whether it's the food or a relationship or an emotional exchange, and then how long it takes to metabolize that experience through the solar plexus.